Today, we're going to show you how to install the Deaf Squid maintenance app onto your Fire Stick, which will help keep your memory low, your device clean, and your Fire Stick running smoothly. First, go to your magnifying glass, then to the search bar and search for the Downloader app. Once you click the D and O, you'll see the Downloader app suggested below. Click and install the app. If you already have the Downloader app installed, you can pick up here, in the next step. Open the app, then click Allow, to give your Downloader app access. Click OK on the Quick Start Guide. Move up to the URL bar and input this Downloader shortcut code, 888324, then click Go. Give it a few seconds, and the app's file will automatically begin to download. Once you see this pop up, click Settings to give your Fire Stick permission. Click Install Unknown Apps, then turn Downloader to On. Now, click your back button twice and click Cancel on the status bar. Toggle to the left menu, then down to, and click Files. Click on the Alien Tech Maintenance file. And now you can finish the install. And, open the app. It'll open on an important option, the virus scan, so click the Deep Scan button to detect any issues. Only your VPN app should show as malicious, once installed, because it masks your IP address. However, it's harmless. We'll have a video up soon on which VPN is best for streaming. You can also manage your apps from this menu, if you ever need to force stop or uninstall an app. But one of the best features is this cleaner. Click Allow and start cleaning device. Click Yes to delete any old files. And, depending on how much cleanup you have, this can take a minute or two, but the longer, the better, as it only means it's doing a thorough cleanup. And wow! We have 79 optimizations, so we cleaned up our device pretty good on this run. You can also run a speed test from this app, and we recommend you have at least 50 megabits to stream to avoid any buffering. However, 50 is only fair, 100 plus is good and 200 plus is great. In most of the civilized world, speeds of up to 500, or even 1000 gigabits is not uncommon, especially with the popularity of online gaming, which requires these higher speeds. And since you're eliminating your cable or satellite and Netflix bills, you can allocate a few dollars to raise your download speed package from your internet service provider, which we highly recommend. And in our test, we don't have the fastest speeds here in Nebula, but we are far from Earth. You can hopefully get much faster speeds. And our last option is the privacy test. We score low here because we currently do not have a VPN installed on this device, but again, we'll have a video up soon which covers the best VPN to use while streaming. And lastly, we're gonna add this important app to the favorites row on our homepage. Go over to your apps, then down to the Deaf Squid app and grab the app by pressing and holding your OK button on your remote, then you can drag and drop it here. And we're gonna drop it next to our favorite apps, Smart YouTube and the F+ app. We'll be back to Earth soon, so subscribe and like this video.